everyone, and today is our class 5, our last class of Canva graphic design, and today we're going to be learning how to do video editing on Canva itself. So before we start, I want to give you guys a little inspiration on how of a video we can create on Canva. This is actually a video that I created on and edited on Premiere Pro, which is an advanced software, but turns out we can actually do this, almost this kind of editing on Canva itself. So let's just see that, and then we can go ahead and start developing something like this. So yeah. Okay, so as you saw, this was the video. It was actually a video that I created for a pizza brand where I edited different kinds of videos. I did some color grading on it, different kinds of stuff, transitions and others. And we're going to learn actually how to do this kind of video editing on Canva. I'm going to show you basic editing, and then you can try and make this kind of stuff yourself. When we come on Canva home, you can see in the you might want to try section, you can see the option of, if you go ahead a bit, you can see the option of the video. Either you can click from here, create blank, or you can go onto the search bar and just type video. And as you can see, it's going to load for a bit, and then it's going to take you to different kinds of video templates, and you can just choose the video, create a blank video. Other than that, if we go down a little bit, we can see different kinds of templates right over here, and we can actually try and use these. Other than the ones that are pro, we can actually use these. So first of all, let's just learn how to work on a template. So for example, I just take this one. I'm going to click on this, and when I click on this, I just have to click on this customize this template option. When I do that, it's going to take me to the work page, and now here I can actually edit this. So here, if we see the video, it's something like this. So welcome to my channel, Bursella Gaming, and then a really great site. If I stop this, now for example, I have to change the name. So I'm going to type welcome to my channel, and I can change the channel over here. Then over here I can also change the ad, just like this. Normal template changing, just the way we did on different kinds of pictures. So now if you see, we are all done. We can also change the background if we want. We can just go ahead and choose any background we want, or if this one's fine. And now if I play it, it does the same job, and we can still use this. So this is how we basically work on a template. But as I said, the more you work on templates, the less creativity you have. So that means we have to go and create stuff ourselves. So we're other than using a template, we can just go and click on the create a blank video option, and we're going to go into Canva now, and we're going to see how to actually edit videos over here. Now the thing that you see right on my screen right over here, give me 1 minute. Alright, so the thing that you see on my screen right now, you see this blank canvas. It's a longer canvas because videos are of this size, YouTube videos. And then down over here, if you see, we have this page, this blank page, which says 5.0s over here, 5.0s, which means it's of 5 seconds. If I want it to be of more seconds, I can take my mouse on the side, and we can see that it has this option to drag. If I drag this, you can see the numbers changing. Now it's 16 seconds long. If I leave this, you can see it's 16 seconds long. You can also see it right over here. It's 16 seconds, this video, the whole video. If I want this video to be shorter, I can just drag it. I will keep clicking and drag it, and now if you see, it's only of 2 seconds. So it's up to me however I want. This is how you cut the video, like if you want it to be shorter or longer. Then you see this plus icon, which means add page. If this page is of 5.9 seconds, I can add another page, and now this is of 5 seconds, which means now I got 10 seconds video. different pages but still the same video. The more pages I add, the more longer the video will be. Now it's 25 seconds. If I want to delete a page, I can just press delete on my keyboard, or I can come over here on these three dots and I can delete page from here. It's all up to you. Now this a part of the video where you can play, where you can cut this, where you can add pages. This is basically called a timeline. Okay, in any editing software you will see it's basically called a timeline. Alright, now for example, I have this video. I wanted to cut into two halves. What I can do, I can drag this thing over here. It's called a cursor. If you drag this and then you click on these three dots, you can see the option of split page. If you click on that, see, now my video is cut it on two halves. Here I can do something else, here I can do something else. Alright, so that's split, and this is how you can drag and trim your video. Now let's add something so that you can get an example what this actually does. First, go into the elements option. For example, I have this ball over here. I put it right over here. Now this was in the first page, so if I play it, it will stay for 3.0 seconds, and then I will get again a white page because the second page is white. So here I, for example, want to add this Happy New Year sign. Then I'll take another page and I will add this sock into it, and I can just drag this to be less seconds, and I get another page, and then I'm going to get something else in here, over here. Now and I'm also going to make this a little shorter. Now if I start playing this right from here, you can see first there's a ball, then in the second page there's a Happy New Year sign, then in the third page there's a sock, and in the fourth page you can see that I have this giant looking face, right? So this is basically what the pages are doing. Now between the pages, if you see this plus option, if you click on that, you can see two options. See, I'm just clicking on this plus option, and now I can see two options. The first one, the plus one, is the add page, and the below one is the add transition. If I click on this add page option, it's going to make another page between these both pages. But if I go ahead and click this option, the plus option, and then I click this add transition option, the second one, the down one, if I click on that, it's going to open another panel which shows me none, dissolve, slide. Now see what is basically happening. If I click over, if I just put my mouse over here, you can see the second pages of the New Year one, right? So if I just put my mouse over here, it's going to change pages in a professional and styled way. If I see this color wipe one, just like this, circle wipe, linear wipe, match and move, stack, chop. So this is basically what is happening. So for example, I take this color wipe option, it gives me different colors. I can change the colors. For example, I want it to come in different colors. Alright, I can just change the color. See, it has new colors now. I want it to come from downwards, I want it to come from upwards, and then sideways, however I want this transition to come. This is basically known as transition. So now if I start this, you can see how it changes the pages. It changes it in a good way, a professional manner, a stylized way. So this is what is basically happening. Now we have this, we now know how to edit a video, a basic video. Now let's just start from all the way from scratch and see how to edit an actual video. So if you want to cut any video, for example, I'm giving you a little task to create a video. Okay, first of all, you can pause this video right over here, go on to Canva, start editing a little video, try out all the stuff, and then when you're done, come back to the video and see this part. Now, when you're done with just playing around with this whole Canva section, for example, I'm now giving you a little task to create a video of New Year. Like, as you know, that it's almost New Year, so I want you guys to go ahead, get some New Year videos. Like, what do we have on New Year? We have fireworks, we have people giving each other presents, we have people giving each other gifts, we have family at a dinner table, we have family hugging each other, playing, laughing, everything, people making resolutions. So I want you to make a video that have those kind of video. Like first, for example, people are doing a little cheers with their glass of juices. Then there's a fireworks, and then you can see people giving each other gifts. So many videos into one video. So how now I'm going to give you a little example. I need videos over here. So if I go in this elements option, and if I go a little down, you can see a little section of videos here. But that's not all. I need more videos, so I can just click on this apps option. When I click that, we have a separate option of videos, audio, styles, photos, charts. We can get any of these. Let's just go for videos here. Now you can see we have different videos here. If I just have fireworks, you can see so many videos of fireworks now. But most of the videos, if you see, has a crown and a pro on that. So we cannot use these, or it's going to have a watermark. We cannot really use them. So there's a website from where you can get free videos. If you click on New tab on Google, you can go into this site known as Pexels. Here, this very first one. When you click on that, this is basically showing you the search bar where you can search for photos, but we actually need videos. So scroll down a bit. You can see the option of videos here. When you click on that, it's going to load for a bit, and it's going to take you to the videos option. Now you can just type whatever you want. For example, I want the video of fireworks, right? Now I'm going to press enter. It's going to load for a bit. Now as we can see, we have so many videos of fireworks, and these all are basically free. So we can like literally use any of these videos, and these are all free, so no paid option. You can just get any of these videos. For example, let's just get, okay, it's still loading. But for example, I just want this one. I'll just click on it, just one click, alright. The video is going to load a bit, but when it's loaded, you just have to click on this free download option. Okay, so for example, the video is loading now. It also has voice in it. If you want to remove voice, I'll show you how to remove it in Canva. Okay, so as you can see, the video is now loaded. Such a cool video. The fireworks are coming. You can stop that. If we see this option of the green button, free download, just click on free download. It's going to load for a bit, and then it's going to start downloading the video. Once your video is downloaded, we're going to come back to Canva. You're going to go to uploads option. You can how you used to upload your videos here, your photos here. You can just do the exact same with the video. Click on upload files and go and search for your video. Click open, and now you can see the video is going to come over here. Over in the video section, it will load for a bit. Then you can import it into your canvas. You will just drag the video like this, put it on the edge, and you can see it, the video is now over here. You can play through it. But now if I see the video is super long, it's like of 22 seconds. I wanted to, for example, stop after like right over here. I wanted to stop here. I'll stop it. I'll take my mouse over here. I'll drag the video from here, and I will stop it right over here. Now my video is only 7.8 seconds long. Now, what if I want this video to play? Okay, now what if I want this video to play like till here, and then when I stop the video here, I want there to be a Happy New Year sign over here. So like I want it to play like this, and then I want it to stop here, and then I want a Happy New Year sign right over here. What will I do? I'll just go into the text option. I'll just go ahead and choose any text. For example, I take this one. I'll just put it on Canva just like this, and I will write Happy New Year here, right? So for example, I wrote it over here. I'm going to decrease the size a bit. Just going to decrease the size. Now we can see there's a Happy New Year sign. Now I'm going to play the video again, but if you see, this Happy New Year sign is coming into the whole video. I don't want that to happen. I want it to come after a little while. How will I make that happen? Now one thing I can do, I'll just click on this, go into animation, just take any animation from here. For example, just take this one. But then if I start the video, it's still coming really quickly. So what will I do? I'll basically not put it over here. For example, I want this video to stop here, so I'll just click on over here. I'll go into the three dots, click on split, and now I'll just put the text over here. Now that I have the text on this screen, I will again go and play the video. Now over here you can see there is no nothing. Like if I start this again from here, if you see the fireworks are coming in here, and then there's a Happy New Year option coming right over here. So this is basically how you can edit a video, how you can split it. Now if I want to transition here, I can just add transition, take any transition here. Now if I start the video, you can see what's happening. It's giving a little transition. Sorry. It's going to give a little transition and a Happy New Year. So you can make this kind of message and send to your family members or friends on New Year. And yeah. So this is basically how you simply edit your video on Canva. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to contact me, and you can ask me questions there. And yeah, then you can just download the video from right over here. So yeah, thank you, and bye bye.